Welcome back to FasTrax Cars. We have Gary here and an absolutely beautiful car. Gary, tell me a little bit about your car.
So this is a 1967 Plymouth Fury 3, or at least that's how it started out as. It's a genuine barn find. My son found it after being in a barn for about 30 years. No rust on it at all, which is something for a car that's 50 years old.
Absolutely. That's fantastic.
We have taken this car and updated it. We've got a four-wheel disc brakes around it. We've changed out the drivetrain, so there's an LS engine and a FasTrax fuel system in it, as well as a overdrive transmission.
Excellent.
And we changed a bunch of the interior as well. So, so.
Let's go into this a little bit closer. Let's take a look here at the engine. So specifically, the engine itself, what did you guys do to it, and how long did it take?
So we installed the engine. It's got a FasTrax fuel system on it.
Wonderful. So with the interior, what have you done to the interior on this vehicle?
So really, it's mostly stock. I've got bucket seats in there from some other vehicle. We don't know where we got it, but the back seat is the same. We've done some painting on the inside, but other than that, it's pretty much all stock material. There's nothing new about
Wonderful.
it. So,
wonderful.
Yeah.
And the color combination of the dark green and the brown looks really, really quite nice. It's a good combination.
I give my son credit for that one. It's his styling cues, absolutely. His name's Derek, by the way. He chose the colors and had me do the work on it. So
that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Very, very, very good car. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you showing me your vehicle.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.